Gotcha. Oh, that's Mama. Very happy with that one. And there's Mister right next door. Hi folks, this is ETprepper. I'm outside right now. It's nighttime, and I chose nighttime to do what I'm doing because I am fighting carpenter bees. You see that right there? 2x4, nice wood, and then you got these holes in it. Anybody know what they are? I do. They're called carpenter bees. That's what they do. They chew the wood, and then they make damage to that wood, like what you see there, and those holes and all that, and ultimately it hurts the structure. In my house here, the house hangs over. You can see that, and the wood is exposed to pine, and you can see that right there. Right there is a hole, carpenter bee hole. Right, another one. I've got 25 holes and a lot of bees. So what I'm doing is I've tried the carpenter bee trap. You can see my video that I have linked down below about carpenter bee traps. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to drill it out. I've made this drill bit. Notice it's shaped odd. It's a 5/8 inch drill bit. And the reason for a 5/8 inch drill bit is it's interesting. The bees, they drill a perfectly round hole, and it's almost exactly 1/2 inch. So it goes from 1/2 inch or a little bit less to 5/8. And so once I drill that hole, I put a piece of PVC in there. And then on the end of the PVC, I put a bottle. So right there, I've installed a couple of them already. But I thought I'd share this with you. If you have a carpenter bee problem, this I expect will get rid of it, because this is the only place in the house I have problem, and I don't want it to increase and get to be a structural issue. So before that happens, I'm attacking them, and then tomorrow morning when it's nice and warm and sunny, the bees will will come down into the bottle, and that's it. They won't go any further. Gotcha. Oh, that's Mama. Can't go back up in. That's the beauty of this. They can only go out of, they can't fly back up. So they're done when they go in the bottle. So it's pretty cool. So I'll let you know how it goes. And so I'm gonna drill this hole out. Where'd you go? With my special drill bit. So there's that. So I've drilled it out, and you can see in there, see the pathway? All right, so the next phase of the operation is I've got 1/2 inch CPVC and a PVC cutter, 3-4 inches long. Get my hammer. So I'll go like this. Hold on. So now it's tapped in, and now it's ready to go. Now it's ready for the bottle. So now I've got my bottles, and the bottles already have the 5/8 hole. There we go. So these bottles, these are little 8-ounce water bottles, 5/8 hole, and it's a very tight friction fit here, and then oops. Okay, so I position it about right there. And then the next phase is these are going to be on here all summer. So when the wind and rain blows and all that stuff, I have my hot melt glue gun. So I just put a little bit up there to hold it. There you go. That one's not pretty. And then just a little bit right there. That's it. That's enough. And these guys are already done. You can see it. I don't know why this is so... Well, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's a beautiful day, and last night I put these in, and we've caught a lot of carpenter bees, many of them. We've got a few empty jars, but I see sawdust in them, and when I see sawdust, I know the bee is working its way out, because I've probably blocked it in a little bit. So, I would call this a phenomenal success. We got 7 right there. They're done already. 3 right there. Well, hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.